Hello children. Today I am going to do A. A is a vowel. Here in this exercise what you have to do, tick the pictures of those words having long A vowel sound. Let's find out. See the pictures carefully. Tree, ape, clouds, rain, gate, swing, lake. Children are playing here, and see the answers are given here in this column. So let's find out. RAIN, rain. You say this word RAIN, rain, and observe how long A vowel sound is coming. So put a tick mark here for RAIN, rain. Next is lake. LAKE, lake. For lake, put tick mark here. Children are playing. PLAY, play. Put tick mark here for play. Next is cake. CAKE, cake. For cake, put tick mark here. Next is hay. HAY, hay. Put tick mark here. And last is GATE, gate. Put tick mark here. And you have to memorize all these words. Say 10 times. Read it and observe it, that how long a vowel sound is coming. RAIN, rain. APE, ape. HAY, hay. PLAY, play. CAKE, cake. LAKE, lake. GATE, gate. So next, the same A vowel. Here you have to circle the correct words for the given pictures. So in this activity, see, pictures are given. This is a picture of a lake, 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 or cake, CAKE, cake. Lake is the correct word, so circle LAKE, lake. Next is, see, rain. One word is RAIN, rain. Second is GATE, gate. The correct one is RAIN, rain. Circle rain. Correct answer. Next is, see, monkeys, ape. APE, ape. TAPE, tape. So the correct answer is APE, ape. Circle this one. This is a picture of a gate. GATE, gate. Circle GATE, gate. Next is, see in the pictures, children are playing. Spelling is PLAY, play is the correct answer. Circle it. Next is CLAY, clay. So circle this one, play, the correct word. And this is face of a girl. So FACE, face. Circle this one. So here you have to circle the correct words for the given picture and memorize all the words. Next is E vowel. E. Here you have to tick the pictures of those words having long E vowel sound. See the pictures carefully. Leaf, bird is here, beans, cup of tea, two men are sitting. And see the answers. B-E-A-N, bean, T-E-A-T, B-E-A-K, beak, L-E-A-F, leaf, P-E-A-P. So what we have to do? We will find this words of the pictures and we will put tick mark. So let's do this one. B-E-A-N, bean, for bean, put tick mark here. And next is T-E-A-T, for tea, put tick mark here. B-E-A-K, beak, look, the bird, and this one beak, B-E-A-K, beak. L-E-A-F, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, put tick mark here. And P-E-A-P, for peas, put tick mark here. And you say these words loudly and observe how long E vowel sound will come. B-E-A-N, bean, T-E-A-T, B-E-A-K, beak, L-E-A-F, leaf, P-E-A-P. So memorize all these words. In the next exercise activity, again E vowel. Here you have to match the words to the pictures. See, words are given, pictures are given, and you have to match it. This one is S-E-A-C. Here is the picture of a C. So draw a line, match it. Next is L-E-A-F, leaf. This is a picture of a leaf. So draw a line here. R-E-A-D, read. See, this boy is reading. So draw a straight line. And next is P-E-A-P. Here is a picture of P. So match P with this picture. So like this you have to match the words to their pictures. And say all these words and memorize it. Next I will do I vowel. Thank you.